Game day snacks are crucial during hoop season, and even more so come March. So make your watch party a slam dunk with one of my fan favorite recipes. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to beat the buzzer with my delicious peanut butter hummus. To tip things off, pour 1 can of Hy-Vee no salt added garbanzo beans into a food processor. These guys are jam-packed with protein and fiber. Cover the beans and pulse until they're roughly chopped. Then add a 1/3 cup of natural creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of sweet agave nectar, 2 tablespoons of protein-rich PB2 powdered peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Cover the processor again and blend until your mix is as smooth as my jump shot. Feel free to stop and scrape down the sides as needed. Once you're ready to serve, transfer your hummus to a serving bowl and garnish the top with chopped peanuts. I'm pairing mine with some tasty dippers like apple slices and protein brownie thins for a sweet finishing touch. These energy-filled ingredients are guaranteed to make any game day even better. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.